Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to create this look for you. It's some sort of half cut crease. No, it's like a full cut crease, but the edge is rounded. I don't know what to call it. But I wanted to do something new. So if you guys want to see how to create this look, keep on watching. So we're going to start by priming our eyelids like always, and I'm using Morphe's Macchiato Concealer. And to set this, I'm just going to go in with a translucent powder. First, I'm going to highlight the brow bone with Moon Dust. And I'm taking an Anastasia Beverly Hills A14 brush. It's okay if you feel like you put a little bit too much because we're going to blend it out a little bit. So for this look, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Rose Gold Edition Textured Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to start by going in with Sandalwood as my transition shade. And when we go, we're going to kind of come in and around in the C shape and blend it out like that. I'm just going to take that highlighter brush and make sure that it's still blending down. So to deepen that up, I'm going to be going in with Cocoa. That last brush I was using is a Morphe S12. So for Cocoa, I'm going to be going in with this Makeup Forever 218 brush. Make sure to keep going in that C. And you're going to want to use a little bit of product at a time for this. You don't want any blotches to happen. I'm going to go back in with that Sandalwood. So next we're gonna add in some black, and I'm gonna go in with Black Truffle. And I'm going to use a thinner brush to kind of draw a line. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills A3. This is a smudger brush. I'm going with some Black Truffle and just kind of deepen up that outer V. Then we're going to take that Cocoa brush and just kind of blend it out a little bit. And we're just going to keep doing this until we get as black as we want and get a bit into the crease. Now we're gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna go back in with that Macchiato Concealer using a Anastasia Beverly Hills Flat Concealer Brush A2. Put some of that concealer on my hand. only gonna cut the crease part of the way because we're gonna come back around. We're kind of gonna make like a circle. And now we're just gonna seem like a C type of thing. Something like that. It's okay if you mess up a little bit because you can always go back in with black. I'm going to go in with another little flat concealer brush with that black and just cover up that concealer. And we're gonna go over this with Trust Fund. I normally set it first, but I really want this to stick. So we're just gonna go in. So next we're going to go in with some eyeliner, and I'm going to use Maneater by Tarte. And I'm just going to do a regular liner without a wing. So you're going to go along, connect it to that black shadow. And what we're actually going to do is draw a line around. Now we're going to take that black shadow again and smudge it out. I'm going to go in with a bit of that brown shadow up here. So for the inner corner highlight, we're going to use more of that moon dust. So after that inner corner highlight, we're just going to create a little bit of a wing on the inner corner. Just a small one. For the under eye, we're going to take that Cocoa on the smudger brush. We're going to blend it out with sandalwood. If your eyeshadow goes out a little bit too far, we're just going to clean that up a bit. Just using some concealer to soften up that edge. For lashes, I'm going to be using Blinking Beaute's Luxe Silk Lashes in Coquette. They're all over the place, but it's okay, they still work. Ew, I hate glue chunks. Ugh. You're nasty. While we wait for those to dry, we can highlight. I'm going to be using Morphe brushes, new Babe in Paradise. So I'm going to use Mahu, because that is looking beautiful on this Morphe by Bretman brush. Alright, let's see how this goes. On the nose. I don't even know if this works, but let's try it. It worked pretty well. So, first eye, we just push down the lashes, place it on there. Okay, so we're gonna go over with our eyeliner just to clean anything up. So now for lips, I'm going to be using Matte Antique Velvet by MAC. That's pretty dark. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. I had a lot of fun creating this look and I hope you guys want to recreate it as well. Don't forget to give this tutorial a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. And I'll see you guys in my next